We're there with Just Facts and we're there only for spit just the facts, you see me people? Hope you now go and enjoy the East and eat up the bun and cheese, you see me? Don't take too much bun though, yeah. So people, you don't know that one here about spice and ding dong, you know. And we just love to see the unity and it actually exists in a dancehall as many might not know. Because enough people think a dancehall are just beer segregation and everybody against each other. But here you can see quite the opposite. So this is Spice and Ding Dong meet up at Guyana.
Where's your...
So I'm sure you can see from the video how excited Spice and Ding Dong was when them buck up in each other in a Guyana. And you don't know, you're not gonna really catch a Jamaican and do that friendship run there with you if you and them are a friend and if them not like you. And that are just facts.
People, me have to tell the whole Jamaica this, and a joke thing. Ding Dong a real star. Me said Ding Dong have him own a watch her. The Ding Dong camera here, you know. The Ding Dong camera here, look. The Ding Dong camera here. Right? And the Ding Dong here.
Yeah.
The man have one big idiot song. One song will say, what kind of cologne you have with brother? This ain't just a kings like me weather.
Girl I run down me car from Kentucky. I say she want feel the leather interior. Baby girl slow down, check the temperature. Me will give you about light and pepper. Girl I tell me say she want catch a fever, yeah. I tell me say she Richie sing the part, yeah.
You know when never go out for fever. You know when never go out for fever. Anyway me go the girl them love me. Anyway me go the girl them want me. Hey.
So there you have it people. Anybody who know Richie feelings know say a film kind of style that. So you don't know, you see him deal with Spice as him sistering. Him ever tell her say him not like her. He must say him not like you. But in opposite him really means say him love her still, him have love for her, you see me? Yeah man, so no pay it no mind when you see Richie feelings say Ding Dong have one big idiot song. You don't know say him love it when him say that. I just feel him we have expressing himself. Man, and this is it people. Tell me what you think about dancehall artists. If you think them should unite more, you think that will be better for the music, well obviously it should. Yeah man, so we want to see more of this in the dancehall, more unity. And yeah man, this are Richie Feelings, Spice and Ding Dong buck up at airport. Well I don't know who Richie Feelings are tour with, more than likely a Spice. Well, I can't even say. But you don't know people are just facts and I'm out.
Polo shirt and my damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we are rough. We no drink out a cup that we pop cup.